Wake up. Stop sleeping. Example: I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Turn off. Stop a machine or light. Example: don't forget to turn off the lights before leaving. Put on. Wear something. Example: it's cold outside. Put on your jacket. Take off. Remove something. Example: she took off her shoes at the door. Get up. Rise from bed or a chair. Example: I get up early to go for a run. Run out of. Use all of something. Example: we've run out of milk. Can you buy some? Look for. Try to find something. Example: I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them? Pick up. Collect someone or something. Example: I'll pick you up from the station at 5 p.m. Give up. Stop trying. Example: don't give up on your dreams. Put away. Place something in its correct location. Example: please put away your clothes after laundry. Turn on. Start a machine or light. Example: can you turn on the TV? The game is starting. Call off. Cancel something. Example: we had to call off the meeting because of bad weather. Come across. Find something by chance. Example: I came across an old photo album yesterday. Hang out. Spend time casually. Example: let's hang out this weekend at the park. Check in. Register at a hotel or airport. Example: we checked in at the hotel at 3 p.m. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.